Hi everyone, today we have with us CoolPad Dazen X7. This is a mid-range device from CoolPad. As you know, CoolPad has also launched CoolPad Dazen 1, which is priced at 7,000 rupees, but this device is priced much higher compared to Dazen 1. This device is priced at 17,999 rupees, as you can see from the level at the bottom here. This is exclusively available on Snapdeal, and if you want you can buy this device from Snapdeal only starting 9th of June. So we'll be unboxing this device, and let's see what's inside the box. So we'll just open it up. We'll just use one of my scissors to open this. So the seals are yet to be broken. Sorry for that. I need to buy a better scissor or something else to cut these boxes. Right, so let's open the box. So as you can see, this is your CoolPad Dazen X7. This is your smartphone, right? Inside the wrapper, we'll just take the wrapper out. I'll just put it here, right? So as you can see, this is your CoolPad Dazen X7. The device appears quite good just by looking at it. But we'll be reviewing this device in much detail later on. Today we'll be just unboxing this only. So as you can see, this is your Dazen X7. So before powering that smartphone on, we'll also look at what else we have in the box. As you can see, these are just boxes with nothing in it. Here we have something. So this is your micro USB cable, most probably. We'll just pull it out. Yes. As you can see, this is your micro USB data cable, which can be used for charging as well as for transferring the data. Apart from that, let's check out if we have something else. I'll just try to open it from this side. So here it is. This is the power adapter or the charger, you can say. We'll just have a look on the rating of the adapter. This is also the same 5 volt 1 milliampere adapter. So this is the standard adapter with the smartphones. Even the CoolPad Dazen 1 came with the same rating adapter. So this is it. Apart from that, we have nothing else in this. Again, we see that we are missing a earphone in this device. So even CoolPad Dazen X7 doesn't come with a earphone, right? So it appears the battery is already inside the already embedded in the smartphone, and it's not removable, it seems. Please peel off this mask after application completed, right? I'm not sure what it is. Peel off, right? So basically this one is just what you call a protection for the back cover in the box, and it comes with some instruction, right? Basically it shows you how you where you can insert your micro SD card and the nano SIM cards, right? Here, if I put it here again, basically this tells you this is the slot for your SIM cards and this is your slot for, sorry, this is basically slot for micro SD card. This one, I'm sorry for messing it up. This is for micro SIM card and this slot is for nano SIM card and your SD card. We'll just open it up and see if we can. Sorry, we are unable to open it. We'll open these slots later on when we review the device. So as you can see, this is your CoolPad Dazen X7 with a metallic cover. Even the back cover, back panel appears a bit of metal, but it is a metal, right? If you can see, it is quite what you call mirror-like finish, but I'm not sure whether it is metal or not, but it appears to be a metallic portion with a mirror-like finish. These are basically your speakers. This is a micro SIM slot, this is a micro USB slot. This is your volume rocker. This is your front facing camera of 8 megapixel, and this is your proximity sensor. These are again the speakers. This is your 3.5 mm audio jack. This is your power button, right? We already talked about these SIM cards and SD card slots. This is your back camera, main camera, which is 13 megapixel with LED flash, right? Apart from all these, the screen is full HD with 5.2 inch full HD. The device is powered by octa-core processor, 1.7 gigahertz. So let's power the device on. As you can see, it boots with CoolPad logo and the powered by Android at the bottom, right? Usually the first boot of any smartphone takes quite some time, but we are seeing that both the CoolPad devices booted quite fast even on the first boot, right? We don't have any SIM cards or we don't want to do any settings at the moment, so we'll just skip everything. Agree for this, right? Start, right? As you can see, we have the home screen of the device, of the smartphone. These are your on-screen menu buttons, just like devices like Nexus 4. So we'll be reviewing this device in quite detail later on, but at the moment this is your unboxing. Before we finish this unboxing video, we'll just have a look at the operating system of the device. As far as we know, this is powered by Android 4.4 KitKat. Here you can see Android 4.4 KitKat version 4.4.2, right? Resolution here it tells you the full HD 1920 by 1080. Internal memory is 16 GB, out of which 11.62 GB is available. The RAM is 2 GB and The processor which powers this smartphone is MT6595 1.6 GHz octa-core processor. Model number, as we already know, is Coolpad X700, right? So that's it. That is the unboxing. We'll be doing the full review of this device pretty soon. Stay tuned for our full review. Do not forget to watch our full review before you decide to buy this device. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. See you soon with another video. Thank you.